Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll guide you through enabling the app lock feature in Outlook to add an extra layer of security to your emails. Let's get started. First, grab your phone and open the Outlook app. Make sure you're logged into the correct account to access your settings. Next, tap on your profile icon located in the top left corner of the screen. This will open the profile menu with additional options. From here, scroll down to the bottom of the menu and tap the settings icon to enter the settings section. In the settings menu, scroll through the options until you find App Lock. You'll notice it's currently disabled. To enable it, simply tap on App Lock, and the feature will turn on immediately. This ensures that anyone trying to access the app will need authentication, adding an extra layer of privacy and security to your Outlook account. And that's it. You've successfully enabled App Lock in Outlook. If you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with others who might benefit from it. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.